Nigeria is the home to some of the biggest pastors in the world, leading the mega churches with so many followers. But beyond their spiritual leadership, many of them have built vast riches through ministry, investments, and businesses. From owning private jets to luxurious mansions, these pastors live extravagant life that often create a debate. Today, we are going to be looking at the top 15 richest pastors in Nigeria, exploring their net worth, their possessions, and their sources of income. If you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Number 15, we have Pastor Paul Adefarasin. Paul Adeolu is the founder and the Metropolitan Senior Pastor of House on the Rock Ministry. It is a prominent church headquartered in Lagos, Nigeria, with branches across the country and internationally. He was born on January 25, 1963, and he pursued his tertiary education in the United States, where he overcame challenges before embracing his faith. Upon returning to Nigeria in 1994, he established House on the Rock Ministry, which has since significantly grown over the years. And Adefarasin is also known for hosting The Experience, which is an annual gospel concert in Lagos that attracts massive audience. And as of March 2025, he's 62 years old, and his net worth is estimated around 18 million US dollars, coming from his church and other major investments. Number 14, we have Pastor Lazarus Muoka. Pastor Lazarus Muoka is the founder and the general overseer of the Lost Chosen Charismatic Revival Ministry.
Before I know what happened, they matched my head. What I had is calm.
Established in 2002, Lazarus Muoka claimed to have had many dreams from God in 1994, prompting him to pull out of the church which he was serving as the pastor and set up his own church. Shortly after pulling out, he set up the Lost Chosen Charismatic Revival movement with the aim of preaching the undiluted word of God. The church has since then gathered a lot of followers and has become one of the most popular churches in Nigeria. The church is also renowned for its evangelistic activities and rapid growth, boasting numerous branches across Nigeria and internationally. Muoka emphasizes holiness and fervent evangelism, and the church's primary investments have been expansion and infrastructure with numerous branches and large campgrounds. He has a net worth of 28 million US dollars. Number 13, we have Pastor Paul Enenche. Pastor Paul Enenche is the founder and the senior pastor of Dunamis International Gospel Center, which is headquartered in Abuja, Nigeria. He holds a medical degree, which he later transitioned from the medical field to establishing the Dunamis Church in 1996. The church is also known for the Glory Dome, which is one of the largest church auditoriums in Africa, accommodating over 100,000 worshippers at a time. Enenche is also a prolific author and a musician. His main sources of wealth come from investment in real estate, media, and publishing through books, music, and the large media infrastructure of the church. His net worth is estimated around 32 million US dollars. Number 12 is Pastor Joshua Selman. Pastor Joshua Selman is the founder of the Eternity Network International, which is also known as the Koinonia, which is based in Zaria, Nigeria. He was born on June 25, 1980, and is known for his renowned and deep teachings and the spiritual insights. And Selman also gathered a significant following, especially among the young Christian audience, and he holds a degree in chemical engineering from Ahmadu Bello University. His investments have primarily been through the growth of his church and his outreach programs, utilizing media platform to expand his teaching. He has a net worth of 40 million US dollars. Number 11, we have Pastor Daniel Kolowole Olukoya. Pastor Daniel Kolowole is the founder and the general overseer of Mountain of Fire and Miracle Ministries, a church which is known for its emphasis on prayer and deliverance. And he was born on July 15, 1957 in Akure, Nigeria. And Pastor Daniel Olukoya earned a first-class degree in microbiology in the University of Lagos and a PhD in molecular genetics from the University of Reading, which is in United Kingdom. He founded the MFM in 1989, which has since grown to being a global ministry, and as of March 2025, he's 67 years old and has had investment in real estate, publishing, and educational institution with a vast network of branches and deliverance ministries globally over time. His net worth is estimated to be around 43 million US dollars. Number 10, we have Pastor Jerry Eze. Pastor Jerry Eze is the founder and the lead pastor of Streams of Joy International. He holds a bachelor degree in history and international relations from Abia State University and a postgraduate certificate in business administration from Enugu State University of Technology. Pastor Eze is also known for the New Season prophetic Prayers and Declaration, which is the NSPPD, a popular online prayer platform that gained global traction during the COVID-19 pandemic. His live streams are reportedly generating a lot of revenue from social media, and along with his investment and ministry, he has had a net worth of 58 million US dollars. Number 9, we have Pastor Chris Okotie. Pastor Chris Okotie is the founder and the senior pastor of Household of God Church International Ministries, based in Lagos, Nigeria. He was born on June 16, 1958, and before his pastoral calling, Okotie was a successful pop musician in 1980s, and he later transitioned in the late 1980s and established his church in 1987. Chris Okotie is also known for his involvement in Nigerian politics, having run for presidency multiple times. Despite not achieving success, his net worth is estimated around 61 million US dollars. Number 8, we have Pastor Johnson Suleiman. Apostle Johnson Suleiman is the general overseer of Omega Fire Ministries International, which is headquartered in Auchi, Edo State, Nigeria. He began his ministry in 2004 after serving as an assistant pastor in another church. Suleiman is also known for his dynamic preaching and prophetic declarations, and he is a man who doesn't sugarcoat his preaching no matter the time or place. He is currently 54 years old and was born on March 24, 1971, and his net worth is currently capped at 68 million US dollars. Number 7, we have Pastor Matthew Ashimolowo. Pastor Matthew Ashimolowo is the founder and the senior pastor of Kingsway International Christian Center, which is the KICC in London, United Kingdom. He was born on March 17, 1957 in Nigeria, and Ashimolowo converted from Islam to Christianity at the age of 20, where he later enrolled into a Bible school. From there, he moved to UK in 1992 and established the KICC, which has grown to become one of the largest Pentecostal churches in the country. As of March 2025, he's 72 years old, and his net worth is estimated at around 75 million US dollars. Number 6, we have Pastor W.F. Kumuyi. Pastor William Feloroso Kumuyi is the founder and the general superintendent of the Deeper Life Ministry, which includes the Deeper Life Bible Church, headquartered in Lagos, Nigeria. He was born on June 6, 1941 in Osun State, and Pastor Kumuyi graduated with a first-class honor degree in mathematics from the University of Ibadan. He has had a lot of investment, including a high school, which is also known for their outstanding scores in JAM examination, and also he has a university. He also has a net worth of 80 million US dollars. Number 5, we have Pastor Chris Oyakhilome. Pastor Chris Oyakhilome is the founder and the president of the Love World Incorporated, also known as the Christ Embassy, a Christian ministry which is headquartered in Lagos, Nigeria. He was born on December 7, 1963 in Edo State, and he began his ministry during the university days at Bende State University, now called Ambrose University, where he studied architecture. Oyakhilome is renowned for his healing services, large gatherings, and widely distributed daily devotion, which is known as the Rhapsody of Reality. His ministry has since expanded globally and with a significant presence of various countries, and as of March 2025, he's 61 years old and his net worth is estimated around 95 million. Number 4, we have Bishop Ayodele Oritsejafor. Bishop Ayodele Oritsejafor is the founder and the senior pastor of Word of Life Bible Church, which is located in Warri, Nigeria. He had played a significant role in Nigerian Christianity, notably serving as the president of the Christian Association of Nigeria. Oritsejafor is also known for the evangelistic outreach and television ministry, which has reached audience both internationally and nationally. His net worth is estimated around 120 million US dollars. Number 3, we have Pastor David Ibiyeomie. Pastor David is the founder and the presiding pastor of Salvation Ministries, headquartered in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. He was born in October 21st, 1962. And in 1995, he enrolled into a full-time Bible school in the Word of Faith Bible Institute, which is an arm of the Bishop David Oyedepo's ministry. Ibiyeomie started Salvation Ministries on Sunday, April 13, 1997, with 34 people in attendance, and since then the church has experienced rapid growth with numerous branches across Nigeria and beyond. His net worth is estimated around $123 million. Number 2, we have Pastor Enoch Adeboye. Pastor Enoch Adeboye is the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, which is the RCCG, one of the largest and the fastest growing Pentecostal churches globally. Born on March 2nd, 1942, he holds a PhD in applied mathematics from the University of Lagos, and Adeboye became the general overseer of RCCG in 1981. Under his leadership, the church has expanded to numerous countries worldwide, and as of March 2025, is 83 years old, and his net worth is estimated around 130 million US dollars. Number one, we have Bishop David Oyedepo. Bishop David Oyedepo is the founder and the presiding bishop of the Living Faith Church, which is also known as the Winners Chapel. He was born on September 27, 1954 in Osogbo, Nigeria. He studied architecture before fully committing into ministry work, and Oyedepo's church is also known for its expansive network and its establishment of Covenant University. He has had investment in real estate, schools, and media that has helped him increase his net worth over the years, and is regarded as one of the wealthiest pastors globally, with a net worth that is estimated around 150 million US dollars. These are the richest pastors in Nigeria at the moment in 2025. And if you enjoy watching the video, make sure you give a like button and subscribe for more videos.